Good morning, dear students. I, Priyanka Srivastav, Maths teacher of NLK Group of Schools, welcome you all to attend the Maths session. Children, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 5, and topic Geometry. So, children, let us understand some basic concepts of geometry. Now, let us know about closed figure and open figures. So children, look at these figures. These figures are closed from all the sides. Look at this figure. These are closed from all the sides. So they are called closed figure. Now look at these figures. These figures are not closed from all sides. So they are called open figures. So simply those figures are closed from all sides are known as closed figure, and those figures are not closed from all the sides, they are known as open figure. Now we know all geometric figures are built by some basic figures like point, line, line segment, ray and plane. So let us revise these basic figures. So the first basic figure is point. A point indicates a position in space. It has no length, breadth or thickness. Here point P, point R and point S, and we read as point P, point R, point S. Look at this point, children. It has no length, breadth or thickness. Now the next is line segment. A line segment is the straight path between two points. It has fixed length and it has two endpoints. So here PQ is a line segment and it has two endpoints. Look children, P and Q are two endpoints and it has fixed length. Okay, and be written as PQ or QP. We can write it as PQ or QP. Now the next is line. A line segment extending endlessly on both sides is called a line. A line does not have a beginning or end. It is shown with arrows on both sides. Children, look at this figure. This is a line segment. Or if we extend it in both the direction, it will become a line. Okay children, this is a line and it is shown by arrows. It has no end point and it does not has fixed length. Okay, line segment has fixed length but line doesn't have fixed length. Okay, in a line segment there are two endpoints but line doesn't have any end point. Okay, now come to the next, that is ray. A ray is a part of a line. It starts at a point and extends endlessly on one side. It is shown with an arrow on one end. So basically a ray is a part of a line, but it starts at a point and extends endlessly on one side. It is shown with an arrow on one end. So it has only one end point and it can extend only in one direction. Okay, we read as ray XY and we can write it as XY with the arrow sign. Now next is plane. A closed two-dimensional or flat figure is called a plane shape. For example, the faces of a cube, cuboid, table, surfaces of table is called plane. Now children, there is one more thing you need to understand. There are different kinds of lines. So first is vertical line, slanting line, next is horizontal line and curved line. So this is called vertical line. Okay, this is called horizontal line. This is slanting line and this one is curved line. Okay, so children, I hope you all understood the today's topic. Stay at home, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.